Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn about parts of speech. So let's look. There are 8 types of parts of speech. So what are they? Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, conjunction, preposition and interjection. Now let's look. What is parts of speech? Parts of speech are the classes of words taking part in the composition of a sentence. So this is parts of speech. Now let's look the 8 types of parts of speech. So first one is noun. Noun is a naming word. Name of anything like Rajiv, book, name of a river, country, roads, anything. Second one is pronoun. Pronoun is which is used instead of noun like I, he, she, it, we. Third one is verb. Verb is a kind of action word, doing something, being or having like amizar, play, eat. Fourth one is adjective. Adjective is qualities of noun or pronoun. Good, hot, like the boy is an intelligent. Intelligent is the quality of the noun. The noun is the boy. Number 6, adverb. Adverb qualifies the verb, like quickly, badly. For an example, if I say that the man is walking very slowly, so how is the man walking? Slowly. So slowly is adverb. Conjunction. Conjunction is joining word which joins two sentences like and, but. Preposition. Preposition build a relation between words like on, at, and there are many prepositions. The last one, interjection. It expresses feelings. Like if we want a match, we express our feeling with this word, hooray. If we meet with someone, we say hello. So this is. But now, if we are learning this, we should know why we need to learn parts of speech. What is the role of parts of speech? So I have given an example. Let's look at the example. Ram bought a green car yesterday. Now, if you want to say the news to your friend, you need to know some class words. And what are the class words? So let's look. Ram and car are the naming word. Means noun. Green is describing word. Means adjective. Bought. Bought is action word. Means verb. A is determinator. Means article. And yesterday, time of denoting words, adverb. So you see some words in English, name of things or people or places. Some words describe people or things. Some indicate actions, some describe how actions are performed, and so on. So to form a sentence, there is a role of parts of speech, and they play an important role in the composition of a sentence. Without them, a sentence is not possible. So that we need to learn parts of speech. So that's for today's video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends and family. And thanks for watching.